Today, we're diving into the delectable world of Paneer Tikka, a dish that has us all saying, is it possible to fall in love with food? But before we unveil the juicy secrets behind Paneer Tikka's history, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our food historian family. Who else wants to know what their favorite dishes have been up to over the years? I know I do. Picture this: a time when the Mughal emperors ruled over the vibrant tapestry of North India. The royal kitchens were a melting pot of culinary experimentation, and that's where our story begins. The origins of Paneer Tikka. In the kitchens of the Mughal era, chefs were on a mission to elevate the flavors of locally sourced paneer. They wanted to infuse this mild, creamy cheese with the richness of Indian spices. Can you imagine the excitement in those kitchens? Imagine chefs huddled around, brainstorming and experimenting with different spice blends. It was like a culinary laboratory, and our beloved Paneer Tikka was their delicious creation. As they marinated the paneer in a symphony of spices, think ginger, garlic, coriander, and the warmth of garam masala, they stumbled upon a winning combination that would make taste buds dance for centuries to come. I can almost see the chefs grinning as they skewered those marinated paneer cubes, ready to unleash a flavor revolution. Now that we've uncovered the intriguing origins of Paneer Tikka, let's turn up the heat and talk about the enchanting magic that happens on the grill. Imagine a sizzling hot grill sending plumes of aromatic smoke into the air. Our marinated paneer cubes, threaded onto skewers, are about to embark on a flavor journey like no other. The grilling process is where Paneer Tikka gains its signature smokiness and that irresistible crispiness. As the cubes gently kiss the hot grates, the marinade caramelizes, forming a tantalizing crust that locks in the flavors and juices. It's like witnessing a culinary ballet. The dance of heat and spice, creating a symphony of textures that will soon explode in your mouth. But it's not just about the smokiness, it's about achieving the perfect balance. The exterior gets that golden, slightly charred hue, while the interior remains tender and creamy. A harmonious marriage of textures that defines the essence of Paneer Tikka. And voila! What emerges from the grill is a plate of paneer perfection, each skewer telling a story of its journey through the fiery embrace of the grill. It's almost like these little cubes are saying, we've been grilled to impress. And oh, do they impress? Fast forward to the present day and Paneer Tikka has become a sensation worldwide. It's not just a dish, it's a celebration on a plate. But have you ever wondered how it gained such popularity? Paneer Tikka's rise to stardom can be attributed to its versatility. From street vendors to five-star restaurants, everyone's got their unique twist on this classic. It's like the Bollywood superstar of the culinary world. Everyone wants a piece of the action. Now let me share a little secret with you, the humorous anecdote that surrounds Paneer Tikka. Legend has it that the first person to taste it was so blown away that they declared, "This is Tikka-licious." And just like that, a food legend was born. Well, that's a wrap on the tantalizing tale of Paneer Tikka. If you enjoyed this journey through food history, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your foodie friends, and comment below with your favorite Paneer Tikka memory. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious stories behind your favorite dishes with Foodhistorian. Stay hungry, stay curious, and keep those taste buds tingling. See you in the next episode.